SETI Institute, many ground-based telescopes, signals, the optimism of scientists, efforts to find space-based life, similar to ours here on Earth, are worthy of respect. Yes, regarding science, I care about getting hard-to-reach data or things. But have you ever thought about the impossibility of finding nothing when it comes to aliens? This is Spaces. Why we can't contact them yet? Do they think Earth is boring? Are they still on their way to reaching our livable planet? Or what? Enrico Fermi devised the Fermi Paradox, which refers to two main things: the probability that extraterrestrial life exists, and we have no alien-related evidence. Let's look at it broadly. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. Billions of them are similar to our Sun. It is highly likely that some of these stars will have planets that are similar to Earth. If Earth is not particularly special, then intelligent life should also exist on some fraction of these Earth-like planets. Some of these intelligent life forms might develop advanced technology and even interstellar travel. Interstellar travel would take a long time. But there has been plenty of time for such travel to have occurred. Given all this, why haven't we met or seen any trace of aliens? Where are they? Science fiction author Sir Arthur Clarke described the paradox. He said that two possibilities exist: either we are alone in the universe or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. Since then, many experts tracing aliens have been searching for the answer to the same question. If the endless universe has abundant lives, then why haven't they visited us yet? Moreover, we have heard nothing from them yet. More than 4,000 planets beyond our solar system have been found in the last 2 decades. In addition, trillions of stars are thought to exist in our Milky Way galaxy. Most of them have their planets. The critical question is whether at least one of these planets had life. Some proposed answers to the question of how we can solve the Fermi Paradox exist. The most unique answer is that Earth is special and we are alone in the universe. The second answer is about the long distance of interstellar travel. Our closest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4 light-years away. 1 light-year is about 9.5 trillion kilometers. For comparison, this corresponds to the distance between Earth and Neptune. Aliens might have decided not to never visit us. Or they are still traveling to meet us. Another possibility is that intelligent life has nuclear weapons to destroy itself. That's why we cannot contact them. Maybe they live in subsurface oceans. Saturn's icy moon Enceladus might be home to them. It is believed that Enceladus harbors an ocean beneath its ice crust. The list of possibilities is long. No doubt that speculation will continue forever until we will find them. I can't finish this video without mentioning this paper on the revisited Fermi Paradox. It suggests that aliens are probably not wasting their time because there are many rocky planets. Instead, they are likely trying to contact alien algae or amoebas. The paper says visits from supposed alien civilizations have a very low probability until a civilization reaches a certain age after the onset of radio communications. This certain age is called contact era. If biotic planets are common, supposed advanced civilizations may preferentially send probes to planets with techno-signatures, such as radio broadcastings. The contact probability is defined as the chance to find a nearby civilization located close enough so that it could have detected the earliest radio emissions and sent a probe that would reach the solar system at present. It is found that the current contact probability for Earth is very low unless civilizations are extremely abundant. Maybe one day we might communicate with them. Or maybe we will not have this chance forever.